I think it's a fantastic way of getting into motorsport, whether you're doing go-karts or whether you're racing your lawnmower. As you said, it's inexpensive. It's a way of getting your foot in the door and starting young. You know, it's so lovely seeing all, as I walked up the pit lane, seeing how many young kids are there and the families are there and they're all involved and they've all got their tools and, you know, it's brilliant.
It never let up through the night. The number 2 team, they were right on us all the time. No rest at all. Not a moment. I couldn't stop watching. It was that intense.